Alright, so good day to everyone that is watching this video. I am Rhon Abel, Rementilla, and today we're going to talk about random access files and why would you ever want to use random access file in your program. So what is random access file? Random access files allows you to access the file at any given point. So basically it allows you to access your data in the file at any given point, whether it be on the beginning or at the end. So basically you have the freedom to change whatever you want on the data. So this video have two major parts. The first part is where I'm going to give you guys an example on how to use the fsig function, and the next part is where we're going to talk about the issues and the common pitfalls that you might encounter while using the fsig function. So without further ado, let's go on to the video. So now in our screen, as you can see, we have a simple file pointer program. So before we proceed to the main topic, I just want to mention something. So here in the f pointer line, you can see we have the letter W and then the addition sign here. So what does that mean? So actually this just means that what we want the program to do, what we want the computer to do. So here we want the program to write, and then after writing it can read. So we can change this, so we can change it to only read, or we can change it to only write. We can also change it to append, right? So we're just going to stick to the usual write and then read orders. So now, as you can see at the bottom of our screen, we have the example text file. So let's just put something on that using the fput function. So fput, let's say I'm just going to put I am like that, and then close this, and then let's run it. Build and then run. So now you can see we have the I am Rhon sentence at the bottom of our screen. So if somehow we want to change something, starting from here, and then let's say, oh, I want to change the name. So random access files allows us to access the file at any given point. So if we somehow want to access the file from here, we can do that by using random access file. So how do we actually do that? So we're going to do that using the fsig function. So just like we said before, fsig function is what we're going to talk about mainly in this topic. So how do you use fsig function? So we're going to use fsig function just like this. So let's just put fsig and then parentheses, and then we're going to point the file that we want, or the variable that we want to put. So basically let's just put f pointer, and then next is the location. So we're going to count. Alright, so let's say I want to change this starting from this. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So after 5, we are starting from this. So this is 5 here. Then next is we're going to put where do we want to start. So we have two options. So we can put seek set, which will let us start at the beginning of the text line or the sentence. The next one is seek end. I don't know why they called it seek set when they can just call it, seek starting or seek beginning and then seek end. But yeah, so let's just put seek set because we started at the beginning, we counted from the beginning. But don't worry, we can also start at the end, so using the seek end. So later I will show you how to do that. So now let's just use this. Let's say I am not going to put run here. Let's just put June date. So now, as you can see in our screen, we changed it to Junvik. We access the file starting from the bit file. So basically, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that, we started from here, and then we started to change it. But how can we do it when we wanted to start at the end? So let's say I wanted to start here and then change the line next to it. Okay, so now what we just need to do is just change this to end, and then let's count. Let's say I want to change this. So let's just change it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we are here. So let's just count 9 so that we don't leave any spaces here. So let's say 9. So we're going to use the negative sign because we're going backwards. So we all know that once we're going backwards, we're going to use the negative sign. And then we're going to change it to, let's say, nice. Let's say nice. Now let's build it in one. Now, since we removed Junvik, we have now nice Rhon. So nice Rhon. We now remove the IM and replace it with a nice exclamation mark. So that's how you use the fsig function. So now that we have discussed what is fsig function, let's now proceed to the second part of the video, where we're going to talk about the common issues that you might encounter. The first issue that I've noticed on the random access file is when you have too much lines. So basically, if you have, let's say, thousands of lines in a text and you want to change something, you will start counting from the beginning up to the part that you want, and it's just not time effective. It's very time consuming to count, especially you have to count one by one. So the solution to this is just compute the total lines or the total bits in every line, so that you just have to multiply it and then subtract what is left. So it's just like this. I will show you an example. So let's say we have 1, 2, so say 3, say something like that. And then the second line, you have something like that. And then the third line, you have something like that. So what we just need to do is just, we want it to be here. We want it to be in the middle. Since we know that we have, for example, we want it to be here. But we have so much line. Are we just going to count it one by one starting from here? No, we're going to compute. For example, we have 32 lines on the first, we have 32 characters in the first line. So once we have that, we can just multiply it into 2, since we have 2 lines that has the exact character number. So we have 64 and we want it to be here in the middle of this. Now, starting from this, we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, we are here. Now that we are here, we have 64 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 64 is equal to 70. So we're just going to put, for example, 70 here. Now, we are in the correct location. So that's one of the solutions we can use for that when we are encountering too much,
without any more to say,
sentence in a text.
kindly please leave a
Too much
like,
line.
share, subscribe if you want to see more,
And thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on to the next video. So goodbye and have a great day. So without any more to discuss, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like or subscribe if you found this video helpful. And if you have more questions on me, just write it down in the comment section and I will try to the best of my abilities to answer your questions correctly. So without any more to say, goodbye and see you on to the next video. So without any more to say, thank you for watching and see you guys on to the next video.